Hello. Do you have an area of your yard you'd love to have a tree installed? Maybe you want some shade for that western side of your property or even that south side of your property, give you a little extra shade. Well, right now here at AMS Landscaping, we are offering a sale. We're going to install a 15-gallon tree for $150. Now, this is normally $195 to have us install a tree, but we're doing this special through the end of January 2021. Contact us here at AMS Landscaping. Just go to our website at azlawns.com. We will just ask us about this offer. We'd love to help you out. We can also make sure there's irrigation going to the tree. Maybe you have a tree that you're just trying to replace or you want to just install new trees. Regardless, we can help you choose the tree, pick the best tree for the area, and get it installed for you for $150. Contact us today. So also, please check out our Facebook page and our YouTube page at AMS Landscaping, and check out our Instagram and Twitter at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.